First, this weather won't work. I need a beautiful day to do this video. So here we go. What the heck? Well, I guess I got these. I don't need them at the moment out here. But let's try that again. So let's go for good weather. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I need a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. I guess we're not getting a winter. Little bike jaunt with the friends. Can't reach so crazy. They're out. I'll leave you go. GoPro Fusion, when it came out, was about $700 bucks. You can get it cheaper now, so, and it is a great camera. GoPro Fusion, Kodak Orbit. Seeing how they do in the night. Outside. Because of social distancing, I am eating alone, except from YouTube, my virtual reality family, and the dogs. Yay. Are you enjoying your dinner? I've got it pretty much an automatic, but I want to see this, see how it turns out.
So when you do this, what's going to happen? We're going to be up here. What's going to happen? Or
I can do
I can.
a little planner. Either way. Either way. I can do either way. Once you record it, you can turn the video any direction.
But if you go to go like this, it doesn't do it right. It's got to be like.
This is the all the 360 cameras I've ever owned. The SP360 full 1080p, SP360 4Ks, Kodak Orbit 4K, and now the GoPro Fusion.
Dad, wait, you won't see his head. Back on the bumpy road. How dare you?
We now have a lawnmower here.
Hey Nolan, how y'all doing?
Good.
Y'all enjoying the day? Staying active?
Yeah.
Practicing your social distancing if you go in public? You know what that means? Do you know what that means?
No.
Well, if you go to the grocery store with anybody, you need to stay at least 6 feet away from them, okay? Anybody in the store. Does that make sense? Oh, good. Okay. That's what social distancing means if you hear about it. It just, it's a precaution to keep you healthy. What are y'all doing? Y'all having fun?
Mom's here.
Oh, good. Okay. All right. Well, every day you might want to... Oh, my goodness. There she is. How's it going?
Doing good. I'm trying to social distance too. I'm trying to stay out of the grocery stores.
Nolan, get a tape measure real quick. I'm kidding. Haha. All right. That was Nolan. One of my sons. All right. Let's go.
We'll make that turn.
Good dog. He's a good dog. A noble dog. There's the Fusion. There's the Orbit. This is Charlie. This is Maggie. Maggie. Charlie. So
So did you like the videos? What do you think of the GoPro Fusion? Still good in 2020? I think it's great. Absolutely. Like them, subscribe, leave comments, questions. I'll try to answer them. There's a bee right there watching us very closely. I've got a new Snapchat funnies video coming out soon.
Oh, come on. This thing is out of battery.